when it comes to faster than light travel or peering through a telescope to which we view objects with the use of light or from light, you cannot use light as a means to gauge the habitability or the livability of a planet that's, let's say, hundreds of thousands, if not millions, or I'd say definitely more in the line of billions of light years away, even if we had the technology capable of seeing such planet through certain lens to gauge the habitability of a planet or star system, whatever. Uh, Reason being, let's say you're peering back at a star system that's approximately, I don't know, let's say 50 million light years away, and in that 50 million years of time between, well, it's going to take 50 million years for that, from that beam of light from the originating source to reach your eyes, or to the eyes of the telescopes, which you can see. In that 50 million years time, if you were to invent some kind of warp drive that could take you from you know 50 million light years, and you can get there in a matter of years, you got to think for a second. The light that you observed from that planet or star system was from 50 million years ago. So putting any expectation that, hey, everything's going to be pretty much the same for that planet, when you get there, it's likely not going to be the case. So there's that. You can think about it sort of like a lottery. The longer the distance, the more further out it is, the likelihood of it not being the way you thought it was going to be. So a lot can happen in 50 million years. So let's say you get there in a matter of years, then you get there and then it turns out that planet is not there anymore, or it's uninhabitable, or it's been destroyed by, or bombarded by asteroids, or whatever the case may be. Maybe it got ejected out of its solar system from a rogue object or a rogue star or whatever. It could be a variety of different things. So these are things you have to take into consideration. So when it comes to trying to habitat or trying to colonize another star system, ultimately we should be looking for systems close by. We shouldn't be trying to, even if we had the technology, trying to colonize star systems that are like billions of light years away. It would be, logically speaking, make more sense to try to gauge and trying to colonize closer star systems or closer galaxies than it would galaxies far out. So